Tired of constantly seeing "Verify you're not a robot" checks while browsing in Google Chrome? There's actually a setting inside Chrome that can help reduce those annoying verification prompts. Open Google Chrome on your device. Now tap or click on the three-dot menu in the top corner of the browser. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find Site Settings. Tap on it to open Chrome's website, permissions, and browsing controls. Now scroll down a little more until you see the option called Auto Verify. Open it. This feature allows Chrome to help confirm that you're a real person automatically on supported websites, which can reduce some CAPTCHA checks and "I'm not a robot" prompts while browsing. Simply turn on the Auto Verify toggle. Once enabled, Chrome may use certain saved verification signals from your device to speed up browsing and reduce repetitive security checks on some websites. This can make browsing feel faster and less frustrating, especially if you frequently encounter CAPTCHA pages while searching or visiting websites. Just remember, not every verification prompt will disappear completely because some websites still use their own separate security systems.